Monday morning, 7:15 a.m. Maya has one job. Get on the bus. Go to work. Simple.
Maya is on a bus, but it is not her bus. Her phone is dying. She does not know where she is.
No.
Where is this going? And how will Maya get to work on time?
Wait, this bus is going north? This is the 47. I need the 74. I got on the wrong bus.
Maya woke up late, again. She has exactly 10 minutes to get ready, walk to the bus stop, and catch the 7:20 bus to work.
7:05? Chloe! Is there any coffee? It is 7 in the morning, Maya. I know what time it is, Chloe. Maya, you are very loud. Sam, go back to sleep. I was asleep. You woke me up.
Maya left the house in 8 minutes and 42 seconds. A new personal record. Monday morning, 7:15 a.m. Maya has one job. Get on the bus. Go to work. Simple.
Okay, I made it. I am here. Everything is fine. 1 minute early. I am basically a professional. Perfect. Now I can relax. We usually pass the big supermarket by now. And that park. I have never seen that park before. Wait, this bus is going north? This is the 47. I need the 74. I got on the wrong bus. Excuse me, where does this bus go? Okay, I just need to get off at the next stop. Oh, come on. Why is it not stopping? Excuse me, can you stop, please?
Express service, madam. No stops until Central Station.
That is 40 minutes away.
43 minutes on a good day.
This is not a good day.
Express service, madam.
I am going to Central Station on a Monday morning when I should be at work. 8%.
Good morning, Henderson and Associates.
Good morning. This is Maya. Could I speak to Mr. Henderson, please?
Of course. One moment.
Maya, you are 5 minutes late.
Mr. Henderson, I am so sorry. I have a small situation.
What kind of situation?
I got on the wrong bus.
The wrong bus.
The express bus. To Central Station.
I am aware of that, Mr. Henderson.
How did you get on an express bus to Central Station?
That is an excellent question.
How long until you are here?
Approximately 1 hour.
Maya,
I know, Mr. Henderson. I am very sorry.
get here as soon as you can.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. No phone, wrong bus, going to Central Station. On a Monday. This is fine. Everything is fine.
Are you okay, dear?
Wonderful. Thank you.
Central Station, 8:05 a.m. Maya needs to find the right bus back, with no phone.
Okay, I need bus 74. Or any bus going south. How hard can it be? Excuse me, which bus goes to Maple Street?
Platform 7, but it left 2 minutes ago.
When is the next one?
20 minutes, maybe 30, depends on traffic.
Thank you. Does this bus go to Maple Street? Maple Street? No, madam. This is the airport bus. The airport? Terminal 1 and 2. I am so sorry. Wrong bus. Again. Maya, you got on the wrong bus twice in one morning. This is a new record. And not a good one.
Excuse me, are you looking for bus 74?
Yes, I
Platform
am.
12. It is there right now, but it is leaving in 2 minutes.
Thank you. Wait, please wait.
Just made it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Finally, the right bus, going the right way.
Sorry, do you need your phone? You look like you need to charge your phone.
You have no idea. Thank you so much. Mr. Henderson says, Maya, I also got on the wrong train once. Take your time, Mr. Henderson. You are full of surprises.
Maya, you made it.
I made it, eventually.
Platform 7 or Platform 12?
Both, actually.
Impressive.
Maya, where were you? I sent you 6 messages.
Long story, Lisa.
You got on the wrong bus, didn't you?
How did you know?
Because last week you got on the wrong train. The week before that, the wrong tram. Maya, you need Google Maps.
My phone died.
Then you need a power bank. You are right, I need a power bank. And to check the bus number. And to check the bus number. And to wake up on time. Lisa, I am just saying.
Maya got on the wrong bus, then almost got on the wrong bus again. She arrived at work 1 hour and 23 minutes late.
And she learned 3 very important lessons that day.
Check the bus number. Charge your phone.
And wake up when the alarm rings.
Don't forget, always check the number before you get on. See you in the next story. Bye.